This is Shane with Safelink Internet Services, and I have been guiding you through your Agemni training. In this video, we're going to be discussing creating and managing leads. If you have not already done so, prior to watching this video, you will want to go back and watch the Introduction to Agemni video, where you will learn how to create a login, how to log into Agemni, and how to navigate through the Agemni portal. But we are now on the creating leads, so let's get started. First, you will want to open up a browser. You will want to open up the Safelink portal. Again, we discussed how to do this in the previous video, and you'll need to log in. This is going to bring us to our landing page, and from here, we're going to want to go to leads, and we're going to want to create a new lead. So we'll click on that tab. And you'll notice that there is some required information. The red star, red asterisk, means this information is required in order to create a new lead. So you'll want to make sure that you have the customer's telephone number and their first and last name. We're just going to call this customer training video. Very generic name. If you have any other information from the customer, such as their address and their email address, you can go ahead and input that information now. And the campaign, let's just go ahead and create the campaign, which will always be affiliate if you are one of our retailers. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and start entering in the what package pricing the customer was interested in. So you'll see over here it says lead rep training. You will always want to make sure that the lead rep field is complete with your company information. This is where everything is tracked, how it's tagged back to you. If you don't do this correctly, you won't be able to reference this later. You won't be able to pull your lead up. So in this case, the lead rep and the rep field will be the same. And the provider, let's say the customer wanted one of our residential services, and they were looking at high-speed internet, and they wanted our family plan. So again, you can see what just happened here from this tab, the provider, if they wanted commercial services or residential services. Tower we use internally, as we're just tracking upgrades and things on our towers, so don't use that one. Promotions, again, high-speed internet or internet plus phone. You can see this here. And then the kit, this is what package the customer wants. So whether they want our economy, personal, or one of our unlimited packages, you'll see that there's an R1 and an L1. L1, these are our legacy plans. You'll never want to use these. You'll want to select one of the R1s, which R stands for residential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay. So we select our plan, and then we want to go ahead and add that lead. Once we've added the lead, you'll notice we have the ability to create some notes. And I'm just going to go ahead and create the note, customer needed to speak with wife. And we can add that note so we can reference that later and remember what we were talking to this customer about at a later date. Now, once we've created a lead, we'll have the ability to convert that lead to a work order. And I'm not going to go into details on that in this video. We'll show you how to do that in the next video on the customers. Or we can delete the lead if we've made a mistake. And lead status, we can come back to this, so we'll be able to, let's just go ahead and do that. Reference back. Right now, under training video, I only have one customer. But if we had multiple customers, we could type the name in here and hit go, and it would find it. Now we can reference this customer at a later date, and we can say, you know what, we spoke with this customer again, and the customer is still open. We haven't closed the deal yet. Or we can say, yes, we've closed the deal and we've sold them. So you can see that here. And then we come down here and you would save that information again so that you can reference it later. And you can add more notes each time you speak with the customer until that customer has decided to either go somewhere else or sign up for Safelink. That concludes this portion, and you'll want to move on to the customers video next. Thank you.